Global Alliance for Banking on Values is a movement of banks which are front runners when it comes to values-based and sustainable finance. They are banks that finance change but also want to change finance. So what do I mean by that? For example, a bank might be financing solar panels, but they might also be engaging with regulators and policymakers to change the framework conditions for renewable energy so that when they finance the solar panels, they can be more effective and scale up the work that they're doing more quickly. So I think it's that idea of positive change and of really a values-driven approach where it's about people and planet and not first of all about profit. It's really people and planet that is at the core of the work of the values-based banks.
All right, thank you. I will just ask you the next question. Can you describe in which way a values-based bank differs from conventional banking?
Yeah. So values-based banks are very intentional in what they do. Big banks might sometimes also do good things, but there's not that real intention and focus in the values-based banks. They adhere to same principles. They focus on triple bottom line, so people, planet, and prosperity. They focus on the real economy, working with real people, real businesses, trying to bring them forward. They are really grounded in their communities. They know their customers better than other banks, and they also understand the business models that are associated better. They are highly transparent and inclusive. Also, the governance is very transparent. And they're also resilient against crisis because they typically manage very prudently their finances, and they don't engage in speculative activities. And all of these principles, they're grounded in the culture and in the organization of the bank. So I think you will really see a different type of culture where it's about people and planet when we're talking about values-based banking activities.